concerning hair care is on my channel. If there's anyone that is on my channel, ask me. Just ask and I will do it for you. You know, because you're one of the bourgeoisies that have been honored to be able to watch my videos. It's not just any type of person that can watch my videos. You get what I'm saying?
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I want to recurl this curls. I know it looks really pretty still, which I do agree, but I've had it in for about, it's been over a month. Let's just keep it at that. So it's been over a month and this is what it looks like. If you want to see how I was able to get these curls to still look this good even after a month, and I feel like I really do not even have to do anything to these curls, but I'm extra, so my curls need to be popping. I need to switch it up. I want to do something completely different, which is why I want to, you get what I'm saying? So I have a tutorial on how I made this curls. The way I did the extension was like the most important part, and which is why the curls were able to hold till this point, even though I didn't use any freezing spray. I'm telling you, I didn't use anything to hold down these curls, and it looks like this. Can you freaking see? Can you see? Okay, so I have the video on my channel and I'm just going to link it in the description box below, so you should go check it out if you want to get your curls to pop like this. I want to redo the curls, but you can see how my hair looks like. If the curl looks new and my hair does not look new, I feel like there will be like a contrast that will not look good. So I want to wash my hair. The curls will not hold as much if I don't wash my hair, because it's been over a month and I've not washed my hair since. It's going to be dirty. There will be a lot of dirt in it and build up, and I don't really want that. So I want to wash my hair first and then we'll get into, before we get into the shower though, I want to change my outfit. So let's just, I'm sure that was good. You can't tell me anything. That was perfect. So let's just rush into the shower and then I'll see you in the shower. So right now we are in the shower, and the first thing I want to do is I want to spray my hair with water first and then go in with a leave-in conditioner and then my detanglers. At this point, I feel like you guys already know all these things if you have been watching my video for the longest time, but if you are new here, this is what I do before I wash my hair. Either I'm washing braids or I'm washing my actual hair. This is what I call my own people treatment. This helps to like make sure that your hair is moisturized, and then it breaks down all the build-up in your hair and as well the dirt, and this just makes like washing process really stress-free and easy for me. So let's just get straight into it. Basically the same way I wash my hair, like my actual hair, which is the type 4. Yes, I'm part of the blessed ones to be a type 4 girly. I have like a detailed hair care routine video on my channel already. I put it up, I don't remember when I put it up, but it is up, and I'm just going to link it in the description box as well. It is very stress-free. I'm not even one of the girlies that feel like wash days should be stressful, or like taking care of your natural hair should be stressful. I just feel like they don't be making sense. But if you still feel like it is stressful for you, because of course we are different, and I probably thinking that it is not stressful because of how I have made mine, so I just decided to make that video for people that still find it stressful. Because I think I put up a poll, and in the poll I asked some questions concerning like hair care, and a lot of people talked about how stressful it is. So I have a hair care routine, a very stress-free hair care routine, which has made me feel like I'm better than everybody else, because why else will I think that people don't find it stressful to take care of their natural hair. Do you get what I'm saying? So I have that video up. Just go check it out so you can also join the thing and be one of the blessed ones that will look down on other people that think hair care is stressful. So yeah. I have like 2 videos up on my channel already concerning how to wash your hair. If you do not want to like get into the shower and you want to just like make sure that your scalp is clean, I have a video about that. It's on my channel already. See, anything concerning hair care is on my channel. If there's anyone that's on my channel, ask me. Just ask and I will do it for you. You know, because you're one of the bourgeoisies that have been honored to be able to watch my videos. It's not just any type of person that can watch my video. Do you know what I'm saying? And we need to be acting like this. Like big people. Do you get what I'm saying? What is it? Haven't you done enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the trouble, the struggle. The pain, the struggle, the trouble. Is it not enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? Come on. What is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the struggle, the torment, a busy torture. I use the clarifying shampoo for my hair, so there's no sort of oil, any form of oil in my hair right now. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to bring the oil back into my hair. So I'm just going to moisturize using leave-in conditioner and oil. If you do not know the leave-in conditioner that I'm using, then you are new here, welcome. It just started getting interesting in this place, so I'm being honest. You know how my biceps look really good? This. Try it. You don't need to go to the gym to actually have like a beautiful body, a fit body. I'm going to show you the biceps I'm talking about. It's going to be on the screen. Don't worry, I'll edit it and put it on the screen. But this is how I get my biceps to look really good, fit and toned. Again, I'm using Avila. I'm using their hair volume oil. I stopped using this product and I noticed that I stopped using their products and I noticed that, this particular product, I use their other products, I mix my oils by myself. But I noticed that I really like this one, so I just got it. And let me just tell you, these brands, they did not sponsor me. It's just the Lord's work that I'm doing because I just feel like if it's good, it's good. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and just refresh the braids because you can see what this looks like. I already have a video of how to refresh your braids on my channel. See, when I tell you everything you need about your hair is already on my channel, I'm not joking. Okay, I'm literally not joking. So go and watch the video if you wanted. So I've already gone ahead to tighten my hair. Now it looks like I just made it. Don't be fooled. I only did like this part because I like my hair in a side pattern, and then I did the front as well. So if I want to like pack it up,
I'm going to have to switch to a voiceover because this part of this process is really important, and with any misdoing you can just end up with injury. So the next thing you want to do is you want to brush out the curls. You could see the difference from what it looked like before and what it looks like after I brushed it out. When you are done brushing it out completely, then you're just going to dip it in boiling hot water. Now you can see what I'm doing here. That's what you're going to do, and then you're going to keep repeating the process until it is completely straight. You'll see what I mean by straight very soon, so just keep on watching. Okay, beautiful people, this is what you want to end up with after you have dipped it in hot water. So you're just going to make sure that you blow it out so that it dries completely on low heat, not hot heat. Make sure that you remember that it is synthetic hair that you are working with. Now the next process is just to roll that thing up so we can get it curled. After you've done all of this, you also want to make sure that it is the same quantity all through, like each curling batch has the same quantity all through, or maybe like one extra, so you get the same size of curls all through. Now after you do that, you're just going to make sure that you dip it in hot water again. You guys, I am so freaking sure that these transitions have been immaculate. I know. So you want to dip that in hot water, ensure that it dries completely. Listen, ensure that it dries completely. That is what is going to ensure that your curls look good for life. You don't have to spray in any type of holding spray for this, and from my expression you can see how happy I am with this whole thing. Listen, I was having the time of my life, period. So after you unravel all the curls, you are going to separate it carefully. I just sprayed in some oil sheen so it looks new again, and baby, this is what we worked with. This is the result that we came out with. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I know that I ate this up, and you can see that my patterns still look like I literally just made my hair. This is what I'm talking about. The curls need to look new, and the patterns also need to look new. Now the front is what I'm concerned about. The back still looks raggedy. I don't give a freak about that, but you see the front, you see this front, it needs to give. Can we say amen for the church? Now this is what I mean by the back still looks pretty much old, but the front is still giving. I mean, you're only going to see my face when you look at me. You're going to see the back of my hair, but it don't matter to me. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.